Works for espresso. No! This looks like a small simple grinder, but it's actually trying to replace your full home setup. Today I'm checking out the Geimori T38 Plus, a compact electric grinder that promises espresso level precision, low retention, and clean workflow in a very small form factor. Usually with small compact grinder like this, I expect compromises, but this one is trying to do everything: espresso, filter, and keep things clean. I have actually reviewed the smaller T38 before, so I was curious to see how this Plus version compares. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel. It will help me help you to find the best coffee gear out there. First thing, it feels solid. It's made from metal with really nice design details, and it has a bit of weight to it, which is always a good sign. It's still compact, but definitely not toy-like. The dosing cup is magnetic, which is actually super satisfying to use. This grinder uses a 38mm conical burr designed to produce consistent grind size for both espresso and filter. It also features stepless grind adjustment, so you can fine-tune your grind size very precisely. The motor is quite powerful for its size, running at higher RPM compared to the smaller version, which means faster grinding, and it includes anti-static technology and low retention design, so less coffee gets stuck inside. Alright, let's start with espresso. I add my beans into the hopper, set a fine grind, and start grinding. The grind come out fine and fluffy, exactly what you want for espresso. From here, I transfer it into the portafilter. For espresso, grind consistency is a key. You need a fine and uniform grind to build pressure, and here it does a solid job. The shots come out with good flow and nice creamer. Honestly, better than I expected from a grinder this size. Now let's switch to filter coffee. I adjust the grind setting to coarser level. I grind into the dosing cup. And here the grinder does a nice job. The grind looks clean and consistent. Now start pouring hot water slowly in a circular motion. I continue pouring in stages until reach the desired amount. You can see the water flowing evenly through the coffee bed, which is a good sign of a consistent grind. The result is a smooth, clean filter coffee with good clarity. What I like: compact but powerful, stepless grind adjustment, works for espresso and filter, low retention and cleaner workflow, premium feel. It's not a professional barista profile grinder. For espresso it takes a bit longer compared to big grinders. It does take a little bit time to learn it, but once you get used to it, it works really well. Overall, the Geimori T38 Plus is a very interesting grinder, and most importantly, it grinds your beans without taking up your whole kitchen. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you like, hit subscribe and see you on the next video.